Well, here we go. I will plug this in like so. Let's see what happens. Apple CarPlay and related content, okay. This should, when I unlock it, there you go, allow, so that allows you to use it when the screen's locked. That's it. It's the best system ever. Absolutely the best system ever. You don't need to touch your phone or the steering wheel anymore now. Voice activation. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
Although there's a go button there, it assumes if you've not corrected it, it will take you. Now the other thing is, you're on your way to Manchester Airport and you need to detour. No longer do you have to try and type something else in. It's the same thing. Take me to Starbucks.
One option I see is Starbucks on Capitol Way in Preston. It adds 2 minutes to your route. Is that the one you want?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
I've already got Starbucks, but that's how you do it. 2 seconds. Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
Now I'm just going to pick my phone up. You don't need to pick your phone up, but call Barry mobile.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
There you go. User busy, but it's called me. So you don't have to, and of course somebody phones you, you just click this button and answers the phone. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
Just Motor Group have been kind enough to lend me this Hyundai Inster, and it's a fantastic car. I've really enjoyed driving it.
It says, Just Motor Group have been kind enough to lend me this Hyundai Inster, only it's a fantastic car. I've really enjoyed driving it. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
You'll see there a message has come up. Now you're driving along, you can't read your phone, you can't touch your phone, and it won't display on your screen anyway. But what you can do is read messages.
Barry said Just Motor Group have been kind enough to lend me this Hyundai Inster, only it's a fantastic car. I've really enjoyed driving it. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
Music. You want to listen to music. Not you want to listen to a certain track. You're not going into it and scrolling down while you're waiting for the traffic to stop in front of you or get in trouble. Play Glory by The Score.
Glory by The Score now playing.
You want all your records. Shuffle music, please.
Shuffling all songs from Apple Music.
What else? There's just so much you can do with Apple CarPlay. It's absolutely fantastic. Got all my audio books on here, and as I say, with the Linky Fun adapter, you can even watch Netflix. If you're sat there charging, watch TV. Don't watch it when you're driving, but you know, watch it. Watch it when you're sat waiting for your car to charge, by all means. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.